Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today is finally the first day of spring, so that means that Vincent and I are able to announce the winners of the spring giveaway that we announced a couple of weeks ago. First off, I want to thank everybody who participated in the giveaway and everyone that subscribed to Vincent's channel and my channel. It really helps our channels a lot, so thank you so much for the support. Now the giveaway winners, we picked 2 winners from my video and 2 winners from Vincent's video. I didn't have a keyword on my video, but Vincent added a keyword to his video to enter the giveaway, so we made sure to add that into the comment selector when we picked the 2 winners from his channel. So the first 2 winners are going to be from my channel, and I apologize if I mispronounce any of the names. The first winner from my channel is J Deep. The second winner from my channel is Shelly Trunnell. And then the first winner from Vincent's channel is Teresa Herseim. And the second winner from Vincent's channel is Horne. Congratulations to the 4 of you. What I did is I went in and replied to your comments from those giveaway videos. So make sure to go over to your comment on those videos and look at my reply, and that tells you how to claim the prize. Thanks again to everybody that participated and subscribed to both of our channels. And thank you so much everybody for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.